Find out how to change the Silicone Earbud tips for the Raycon E55 earbuds in today's video. Okay, so you might have just picked up the Raycon E55s and you have 5 silicone gel tips and including some gel tips that are already on it. Now, just to let you know, the model that I picked up, I ended up having the large gel tips already installed on them, so you can already eliminate that factor. If for some reason it's already fitting into your ears or it's not fitting into your ears, you already have large. So if you find it still loose, you're gonna probably have to go extra large. If you find it's too tight, move your way back. Fitting it to your ear just right is going to be a pain in the butt, but as soon as you get it all set, at least you won't have to worry about changing it out. To remove the gel tip, turn the gel tip inside out first. Pinch the tip at the base of the earbud and gently pull. This should slide off fairly easy. Select the size you want to try. Turn the gel tip inside out. Pinch the tip at the base and slip it over the earbud base. Now put the earbud in. If it's not a snug fit, then start over. You're just gonna have to probably pull it off, put the other one on and try it out. One of the things I'd recommend is the talk test, and I said in the previous video about how one of my biggest gripes was these fit in pretty well if you're not doing too much talking. So I'd say just plug them in your ear, talk a little bit and see if they wiggle out. If they wiggle out, then chances are you might have to make them a little bit larger. Now, if you don't like it being too tight into your ears, then you may not want to go too tight on that, but the talk test works out really well for me. What do you do exactly when you start to hear the volume is decreasing? If for some reason over time you're starting to see it get quieter, believe it or not, your Raycon E55s probably need to be cleaned. And I'm going to talk about the very next video that we're going to be releasing soon here on how to clean the Raycon E55 earbuds. I'll see you in this very next video.